This is not your average girls trip. This is a trip we've been dreaming about. The kind where your only plans are sunshine, music, and figuring out where the night's gonna take you. Three girls, one trip, and the opportunity of a lifetime to bask in the sun and shake it till the moon becomes the sun. First up, me, Muna, your party starter, camerawoman, and designated vibe curator. My job, keep the energy high, the drinks cold, and make sure no memory goes uncaptured, even the ones we'll deny later. Then there's Beverlyn, our translator, queen of good times, and expert in making sure fun is the priority because when in Punta Cana, fun is the only language that matters. And finally, Gloria, the birthday girl, the one we're here to celebrate, hype up, and make sure she gets the kind of birthday stories that stays between us and Native's vlog. So buckle up and get ready for a wild adventure.
Okay, here you go.
Something
You already know who it is.
Whoa.
No introduction is needed. Okay, but my expectations for the trip, I know it's gonna be wonderful, splendid, as long as these girls wake up on time. That's all.
I'm gonna wake up on time. Don't worry about it.
But yeah, every hour shot o'clock. We have landed in Punta Cana. So we're here, we're waiting for the taxi so we can head to the Airbnb. Alrighty, as soon as you come into the Airbnb, this is what you see. You have the kitchen with the burners, we have the fridge, and over here, our kitchen. It's a bit tiny, but it'll do. Oh, we got an ice maker. Period. We need that, it's hot. The living room is pretty nice. This is the area. I know this is fake, but it's cute. Our TV, a little basket, probably the home of that blanket. And then check out our view. And this is our pool. Okay, now we come back inside. We'll close this door. And I'm gonna take y'all up the stairs. Y'all, these stairs, actually, let me finish down here. So this is gonna be my room. Let me walk in. Here's the bathroom. There I am. And then one of those showers. We can put our stuff up here. And the reason I chose this room is because this mirror right here. I definitely need to change out of my clothes, take a shower, the whole nine. There's the AC, which I'm about to turn on in just a minute. A little closet. Here's the bed. And I also have balcony access from here. Same view. Nice, nice. Hey, Beth, can I come in? This is Bev's room. Oop. Let's see what kind of view she got. Okay, she has the front view. I shall be back. And now I go upstairs. And then this is the top floor. We have a Picuzzi my doozy. This area over here. I do want to grill something. I'm not gonna lie. Gonna be grilling up something here very soon. Hey Gloria, can I come in? Huh? Cause I'm filming. You're not Nikki, right? Oh. Okay. This is Gloria's room and her bathroom. Very nice. Very nice. Same concept. Yes. And she has a full body. Oh, let me turn this off. And this is her bed. And she's already got her stuff out. Period. And that concludes our house tour. What do you think about the Airbnb?
I like it.
You like it? Me too. It's nice. I really want to grill something though. We got to make that happen. Throw something on the grill. I don't know. Check back in with y'all after I shower, change, all that stuff. Don't want to get in the water? Okay. Gloria said she might. Okay. Yeah, like I was saying, today's our first day here. Right now, we're gonna go get something to eat and then go to the beach. As you just heard, I don't want to get in the water. Delicious vegan menu, Polish food, the best breakfast, enjoying the garden. Polish food in the Dominican Republic? Yes. Oh. Yes. Thank you. This is our spot. Nice to meet you, Maria. No, he didn't tell me the name. He just told me the flags, so that's how I know. That's El Perro, right? Yeah, I'm learning. I'm gonna be a Spanish mamacita by the end of this. Ooh. Hello.
I would consider this restaurant pretty affordable. My friends and I, we did get some more expensive things, but overall, I was pleased with the overall service. They did get Bev's order wrong. They gave her beef empanadas instead of the chicken, but they corrected that, and we were satisfied overall. We actually did come back again right before our last day, before we went to the Infinity Boat Party. This restaurant was actually recommended to us by our Airbnb host, and I'm so glad he did because it's right by the house. The food was good and it's right by the beach as well. The service was a bit slow and we were the only people here. I got the fried snapper, and it was literally the star of the show. Like, it was so yummy, so delicious.
So now, after eating,
Now, I do have to give it up to Gloria for picking an amazing Airbnb location. Not only did everyone get their own room, own bathroom, the location itself was superb. We were right by the epicenter of everything. We had restaurants nearby. The beach was a few minutes walking. Now, Bavaro Beach is not the most amazing beach on this island. I only say that because once we pulled up, there was a lot of seaweed in the water, and it wasn't the best experience. But this is more of a chill beach. You come with your family just to hang out. It's nothing compared to Sauna Island.
this sand is like, I don't even know what. It's kind of thick.
After taking in the fresh, salty air and letting the wind kiss our hair, we took a short stroll to find some picture locations before we headed to the grocery store.
Girl, Ghana is 3 times this.
In Ghana, I would have a striper.
What they do.
Let's follow this lady. Come on. Yeah.
Lady, so what y'all doing?
Hola. Amiga.
After picking up a few essentials like water, snacks, and ingredients for our breakfast tacos, we made our way back to the Airbnb where the sun had already set and we could enjoy a relaxing dip in our Picuzzi to prepare for tomorrow's adventures. Now, for the life of me, I could not figure out how to turn the jets on. Nonetheless, we relaxed after an eventful traveling day so we could be ready for Bavaro Adventure Park. Tomorrow would be filled with ATV riding and immersing ourselves into traditional Dominican culture, along with cuisine and horseback riding, ziplining, and many more fun adventures. As for today, we got a nice warm welcome from the Dominican people, and my favorite part was walking the streets of our neighborhood and experiencing their culture firsthand. As I already stated, tomorrow will be packed with even more adventure, so tune back in. Last but not least, to know me is to know that I love food and I love cooking as well. So while we're here, I did want to take the opportunity and throw something on the grill because we have it available and make breakfast tacos for the girls and I. Here I am seasoning up the chicken and marinating it up.
So I'm doing a very simple chicken recipe. I really want to use the grill upstairs and to grill the chicken instead of pan frying it.